Hi everyone, I'm David McDonald from Fit Body Bootcamp Calgary. What I want to show you today are 4 different push-up variations. Push-ups are probably one of the best exercises to enhance your upper body strength. So push-ups specifically target the chest, the shoulders, and the triceps. And they're really also good for hitting the core or ab muscles. So your abs, your transverse abdominis, your obliques. So like I said, I'm going to show you 4 push-up variations and we'll get started right away. So your first push-up variation is going to be a modified push-up. So if you're just starting out to exercise, you're a beginner, you're new, this is a great way to learn how to do a push-up. So what we do is we're going to bring our hands a little bit wider than shoulder width apart. Okay, you're going to be starting on your knees. You're going to have your head up, your shoulders and your wrists make a straight line. Okay, you're going to squeeze your abs tight. You almost want to envision like someone's going to punch you in the stomach. You've got to squeeze and brace and keep them tight to absorb the punch. And then you're going to bend at the elbows. Bring your chest to the floor, and when your chest is about 2 inches from the floor, you're going to push back up. Okay, and repeat that for 8 to 10 reps. So like I said, it's a great way for people to learn how to do push-ups. A lot of our boot campers who start class, they start with a modified push-up, and then 3-4 months later, they're doing regular push-ups, which I'm going to demonstrate right now. So the only difference now with the regular push-up is we're going off the knees, onto the toes. Okay, when we bend the knees, we actually lift less body weight than when we go on the toes. So on the toes is going to be obviously a little more challenging. Okay, same setup, same lineup. Your head is up, your shoulders and your wrists line up. Bracing or squeezing your abs tight. You're going to bend your elbows lower to the ground and then push back up. Okay, slowly lower to the ground, push back up. So that's version number 2. Again, that's a good progression if you find a modified push-up is getting to be a little bit too easy. Again, you want to get stronger and progress to something harder, you can go to a full push-up. Next one is a TRX push-up. So TRX push-up, we're going to show 2 versions of this. First version is going to be your hands on the handles, and second version will be your feet inside the straps. So hands on the handles, obviously is going to be a lot more harder than a regular push-up. The reason being is it's going to create a lot more instability. Okay, the straps create a lot of instability, so that means we have to recruit a lot more stabilizing muscles, so smaller stabilizing muscles in our chest and arms, and really engage the core or abdominal muscles. So I'm going to show you a TRX push-up really quick, and we'll get started. So what I get clients to do whenever they do a TRX push-up is what we'll do is we'll turn the straps in like this. This is going to create a lot less stress on the shoulders and the rotator cuff than if we had our hands like this. So you're on a pair of straps or rings, you're going to turn your hands in. Okay, you're going to line up just like you would in a regular push-up. So your feet are together, your shoulders are over your wrists, your head is up, your abs are tight. You're going to slowly lower down to the bottom, and then once you reach the bottom, you're going to push back up. Okay, and always make sure your shoulders stay down and back. Okay, and then once you're at the bottom, you push back up. So that's going to be version 3, and then version 4, our feet are in the straps. So again, this is going to create a little bit more instability. You're going to put your feet inside the straps. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to walk out on our hands. Okay, you're going to need a plank. And a couple things you can do. You can have your feet just in the straps. Okay, line up like you would with a push-up and then slowly lower down and then push back up. A second thing you can do, if you want to incorporate more abs, you could do what's called atomic push-ups. So you pull your knees up to your elbows, bring them back out, do a push-up, and then repeat again. And the atomic push-up is probably the hardest of the 4. The reason being is it's going to require more total body strength. It's going to really get into the abs, specifically the lower abs. So those are 4 push-up variations. Like I said, start with the modified, then progress up to the regular, and see if you can get into the TRX ones eventually. I'm David McDonald from Fit Body Bootcamp Southwest. Thank you for watching.